It's news that you can see this is Binance News. Binance News. So I saw that P2P Bitcoin exchange PAXFUL resume operation after it shut down last month. So it's a good news to crypto users and P2P users from India, Nigeria, North America, and the America in general. So this is nice. This is a good news. So we knew that the P2P platform PAXFUL shut down last month in April, and now they are now back. So let's read through. So PAXFUL crypto exchange has resumed operation a few weeks after it shut down. So let's read the statement from CEO Ray. You see, now PAXFUL shut down yesterday, last month due to internal issues and due to lawsuits that was filed against PAXFUL and CEO Ray by their co-founder, due to illegal termination, according to them. So let's read. He said the peer-to-peer P2P Bitcoin exchange PAXFUL announced via its blog post on Monday, that's yesterday, that has resumed operation. The latest development comes a month after crypto exchange shut down operation. Of course, it was in April they shut down, and it was impromptu, and so it made many business to go on a low key. So in its blog post and crypto exchange, it says that after a month, we are happy to announce that PAXFUL Marketplace is back online. In early April, we faced difficult decision to temporarily suspend the marketplace to protect all our customers and PAXFUL features. This is true. This is true. You can see, throughout the suspensions, the PAXFUL wallets remained fully operational. It was not fully operational. But it was operational, but not fully operational for our users, and the community was also offered selections of peer-to-peer platform to continue trading. This is true. Now, last month, PAXFUL shut down its operation after CEO Ray Yusuf expressed concern about safety of customer funds. This is true, due to lawsuit by co-founder author Shagback. So you can now see that uh, this were the reason and some internal reasons, because it was clearly explained to us the last time. So we'll head to PAXFUL to see if this is true. So we'll log into my PAXFUL. So let me minimize and go to my PAXFUL account. I've logged in. Okay, let me enter my okay. So this is my PAXFUL account. This is my PAXFUL wallet. Is fully operational now. Let's go to the marketplace. Let's see if the market is open. Okay, the market is open. So PAXFUL has resumed operation. PAXFUL has resumed operation. So those from India, those from America, North America, South America, Kenya, Nigeria, you can log into your PAXFUL account and begin your P2P trading. We appreciate that this has come back. We really value this platform. So if you don't have PAXFUL, kindly use the referral link in the description to sign up PAXFUL. It's a good exchange, good P2P exchange platform. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button, and also share the video, so that other people who are on PAXFUL can come on board, so that we start making money and start running transaction between countries, and using different platforms. As you know, PAXFUL encourages many payment opportunities. So kindly log into your PAXFUL. If you can't do that, if you need assistance, you kindly use the link in the description to join my WhatsApp group, and I appreciate. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. So PAXFUL is back.